Alright, what's going on, guys? Connor Unchained, we're back. Gonna be bringing you guys a short, quick market update. I'm gonna talk about a couple things here. Let me pull up TradingView too. So, I want to bring up something about market conditions and why market conditions are so important for, investing at certain times for certain things. And that's gonna make sense in 1 minute. So, obviously, as we all know, Bitcoin has been moving up pretty heavily, right? It's now sitting in between, let's say 50k, 51k to what, 53. So it's been consolidating very short term, like literally for a couple days now, just not doing too much, just kind of chilling where it is here. And something to note, when short term consolidations happen, this is kind of what I've been calling for and what I've been waiting for. This is usually a time when, after a major pump, there's going to be a time frame, which, like I said, is right now, where a lot of low caps, a lot of micro caps, and a lot of random coins are just going to start pumping across the board. And currently at the moment, I think mainly too on ETH, there's a lot of bullish momentum, bullish talk on ETH, whether for ETFs or not. ETH has just had that momentum, that movement recently, and a lot of coins on ETH have been popping off the last few days. I actually just started a section in my group that's more like degen focused, which is strictly like very low cap coins. And obviously on top of that, we got all the long term conviction projects that I actually talk about on the channel here. But we've had some crazy success in the last, like, not even kidding, 3 days. Got 4 or 5 plays that have done unbelievable numbers, have, just run up like crazy. But I'm here to just tell you guys, like market conditions really have a huge impact with that, because I don't think, whether Bitcoin's going up or down, it's really going to depend on what the market is doing at any certain current time for when certain coins start popping off. But after just seeing so many AI coins, we got Ticker, GPU, Cloud, Hash, a bunch of these ones they went from nothing, done 3, 5, 10x's, 20x's like crazy. We just started this degen section of my, group here, but it's actually been a very good success the last few days. I'm really happy we did that, because now we're really starting to just, kind of print out here. And I don't know why I haven't done this earlier, but I kind of just wanted to bring that up too, because it's important to keep your risk very low, especially with micro caps, especially with low caps. And honestly, I just wanted to look at some of these coins here too. Like, these are really very high conviction coins, even though some of them are low caps. But WebAI here still, this is just going to chill. It's probably going to go down up a little bit before it makes its next leg up. But I think it's sitting around a couple million still, right around here. WebAI, still a gem for an AI coin. And I'm still shocked that Bitcoin has literally just had this whole move up. I'm shocked. I'm going to start flipping bullish. Like, really. But I really do expect probably some sort of minor correction here, if this does continue into April, into the halving. But, we never know. It's so hard to predict, because I feel like we're still kind of in uncharted territory for most of crypto, if not, all of it. But, you just got to do the best that you can in the current time. And I'm trying to just, be bullish off the sidelines, just doing what we can every single day. And until the market proves us wrong, with these calls, with certain projects, with different narratives that just don't move anymore, that's kind of what we got to focus on from here. Whether it is long term, short term, like micro caps, large caps, heavy movers, could be anything, guys. But just wanted to bring that up because the market conditions are very important. And again, it's usually after we have a heavy move from altcoins, like in this area here, We had more coins absolutely blowing up because Bitcoin just had an explosive move. So we had another one here. Now coins are probably going to be doing this for a little while, unless Bitcoin really just takes a nice tank, well below 50K. That might make the market decide, hey, look, we're dumping for a while, but from there, yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to bring up today. I'm going to be bringing up some BRC20 stuff, some Bitcoin DeFi stuff in a video tomorrow, as well as on Twitter, because that market's been very quiet over the last probably a few weeks, if not a month, aside from a couple coins. But there's just a lot of different and new development on the Bitcoin DeFi side. A lot of people are switching their thesis on certain whatever layer 1s, layer 2s on these ecosystems. So it's getting really interesting. It's kind of heating up again, in my opinion. But I want to bring up a bunch of stuff tomorrow for everyone. So just be on the lookout for that. Probably going to do videos on more crypto gaming stuff, maybe AI, maybe some other stuff. But like I said, this is just a little market update, because I don't want to just cover Bitcoin every single time here. But I also don't want to be covering, super degen micro caps on the channel like that, because I'm not trying to just completely pump everything out of nowhere, Like, that's why I'm trying to keep it in my group right now. But we've been doing well. Definitely holding strong. And, if you guys are curious, you want to learn more, check it out. Just check out the link in the description. But, yeah, even NKI, I can't believe it's still running. Went up more today. I've been waiting to honestly just buy more if it dips lower. But this is still running. This is still one of my top AI coins. On any major dip for this one, I think you guys should just get in, buy, hold it, and just let it run. I really like this one. IXS2, classic. I want to see IXS really just take off eventually. Still my top RWA coin. I've said it on the channel so many times, in the Discord so many times. I know it's going to perform well. Definitely going to be a safer bet, but it's going to run very hard in my opinion. Yeah, guys, even Chart AI, almost every video, if you see me on Deck Screener, it auto loads Chart AI. I don't know why. It's done that literally since down here at 250K in market cap, and I still faded it, but it's sitting around 8 million, I think, right now. But even the chart here, Chart AI looks great. They're still delivering, and I think this is going to be a powerhouse of a project too. I don't know why I don't talk about this one more. I think because I'm still salty I never got in down here. But, and Tectum too, like initially I called this down here at like $3-4, somewhere in between there. But yeah, it's finally started to move. Yeah, $36 now. Tectum is going to be a powerhouse too, but this one's a lot more major, larger cap. But yeah, I don't know. That's kind of what I got for you guys today. This, again, a little market update. Because over the next few days I'm going to have some more interesting and real content to bring you guys. So that's what I got for you guys today, and I will see you in the next one. Appreciate it.